Hello, welcome to next section, Control Statements and Loops. We will begin this section by learning about if and if-else statement, and then learn about the if-elif-else statement. Moving on, we will learn about types of the loop and finally learn about the nested loop. Now we move on to the first video of this section, the if-elif-else statement. In this video, we are going to learn about if-elif-else statement. Now, most of the beginners must be wondering, what are control statements? Control statements are nothing but a series of statements that a program follows to get the desired results. First, we will learn about if-elif-else statement, and in the next video, we will learn about the if-elif-else statement. If can be understood as metaphorical English what if, which most people use in their day-to-day life. We are loaded with numerous examples from across the globe of the usage of if. Same is the case with programming languages. Majority of the programming languages have control statements, and you will find the majority of them use the keyword if in their control statements. Python is no different and also facilitates the use of if. Let's understand with this example. Hereafter, password is entered. The interpreter checks for the entered string and compares with MI6. If the password entered is correct, it prints, "Welcome Mr. Bond." If the password is wrong, it will skip the if block and terminate the program. Let's run the program. Here we are asked for a password and we input our password as MI6 and we get the message, "Welcome Mr. Bond." But merely using only if doesn't give much choice to the interpreter and it has to terminate the program. What if the interpreter is given an alternative for a failed if test? In that case, else can be used to give choice to the interpreter. This is the syntax for the same. Let's take an example to understand if and else conditions. This is our example. Here, if the password is entered wrong, the interpreter will immediately execute statement inside the else block. Here, the control statement is divided into two blocks. One is the if block and the other is the else block. At one time, the interpreter will execute either of the two blocks. Let us save it and then run. We enter the wrong password and we get the message, "Access denied." That's all about if and if-else statement.